So you want to download your Etsy sales data for some reason, like filing taxes, accounting, or maybe you want to give it to AI like Claude to analyze and help with your store, or you just want to see what is actually selling. Let me show you exactly how to do it. From your Etsy homepage, you have to scroll to the top and click on Shop Manager. Then on the left, you're gonna click on Settings, and from the drop down menu, you're gonna select Options. And from there on the top you can see download data, you click on it, and now you have a few options to choose from. The first is to download the data for the listings that are currently for sale. On the bottom is the entire shop's settings if you want to download it for you or just download your reviews, and in the middle is the orders information. For example, from here you can download information about the individual items, this is order items, entire orders, payments, for sales and deposits, and below you can select what time period you want, for example which month or which year, and if you want to download the data from the entire year, you just leave month as is and select which year you want, for example 2026, and you click download CSV. And you're gonna see this thing appear, we're generating your download and we will email you the link when it's ready. And now when you check your Gmail or whatever mailbox you're using, the email will be already there. As you can see, it's already done for me, and now you just click on download now and the download will appear. That's all. Thank you all for watching.